While S Mode does a great job at preventing malware from infecting your computer, it can also be pretty restrictive. So if you want to download apps that are not available from the Microsoft Store, you'll need to exit S Mode permanently. And in order for you to do that, here's a method on what you can do. First up, using Microsoft account, open Computer Settings, click System, choose Activation, click the Go to the Store under the Switch to Windows 11 Pro, then click Get on the Switch out of S Mode banner, and after you click this option, you will get a pop-up in anywhere between a few seconds to a couple of minutes, letting you know that your computer is no longer in S Mode. But if you don't have a Microsoft account, boot your PC into Advanced Startup mode by opening Settings, click System, choose Recovery, then select Restart Now next to Advanced Startup, and your PC will now reboot into a blue screen with several options. Now once the Windows boots, click Troubleshoot, click Advanced Options, click UEFI Firmware Settings, and this will reboot your PC into UEFI. Now you have to find Secure Boot Area and select the option to disable Secure Boot. Now depending on the UEFI, you will usually select the option by pressing Enter. And once you're done doing that, save and exit the UEFI, and in some UEFI versions, you will have to press F10 to save your changes. Now that's how you can turn off S Mode on your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.